KERUI Tuya Smart Wi-Fi GSM Security Alarm System works with Alexa Home Wireless. KERUI Tuya Smart Wi-Fi GSM Security Alarm System. The KERUI Tuya Smart Wi-Fi GSM Security Alarm System is a versatile and affordable security system that can be used to protect your home or business. The system features a variety of sensors, including door and window sensors, motion detectors, and smoke detectors, so you can be alerted to any potential threats. The system also includes a siren and a keypad, so you can arm and disarm the system from anywhere in your home. The KERUI Tuya Smart Wi-Fi GSM Security Alarm System is easy to install and use. The sensors can be easily mounted to your doors, windows, and other areas of your home. The system can be controlled using the keypad, or you can use the Tuya app to arm and disarm the system. Receive alerts and check the status of your sensors. The KERUI Tuya Smart Wi-Fi GSM Security Alarm System is a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable and affordable security system. The system is easy to install and use, and it offers a variety of features to protect your home or business. Pros: affordable, easy to install and use, versatile, includes a variety of sensors, can be controlled using the Tuya app, two-way voice communication, works with Alexa. Cons: some users have reported that the system is not as reliable as other brands. The siren is not very loud. The keypad is not backlit. Overall, the KERUI Tuya Smart Wi-Fi GSM Security Alarm System is a good choice for anyone looking for an affordable and easy-to-use security system. The system is versatile and includes a variety of sensors to protect your home or business. However, some users have reported that the system is not as reliable as other brands.